Hi, this is Prime with Rival Theory. This is a tutorial for our Squad Command Advanced Warfighter AI package available on the Unity Asset Store. In this tutorial, what I'd like to do is to really walk through and give you an idea of how the behavior system works for a soldier inside of the package. And in particular, we're going to look at the defender soldiers that are available in all of the different scenes. I want to walk through the behavior tree and show you how the behavior tree is organized and how it's used to define the behavior of the soldiers. I'd also like to dig into some code, show you what that looks like, and give you an opportunity to see where you might begin to change it to create soldiers that work the way you'd like them to work. And we'll really go over this in a way that you can understand enough to be able to take this package and begin to build your own game using these soldiers. Okay, so let's dig in and get started. I'm going to start by selecting one of my defender soldiers here in my list of defenders. I'll expand that and then select the AI object underneath it. Once I've selected the AI object, I can see the Rain Inspector here in my Inspector pane. In this case, the Mine tab is already selected. The Mine tab shows me the behavior tree assets associated with my AI. I have one main behavior tree asset called Soldier Behavior, and then a number of other behavior tree assets associated with behavior tree bindings from my main behavior tree. For those of you not familiar with Rain's behavior tree binding system, let me explain how that works. From the Rain menu, I'll click on Behavior Tree Editor. Then on the upper right, I'll choose a behavior tree, Soldier, and then Soldier Behavior. You can see that the soldier behavior is actually pretty simple. You can also see a number of yellow behavior tree nodes marked with the letter B. These are our behavior tree bindings. The purpose of a behavior tree binding is to identify a behavior that we'd like to occur, but not specify exactly how that behavior works. Instead, we'll allow each individual AI to define what behavior to use whenever the bound node is run. You can see that we have a behavior tree binding for detecting an enemy, patrolling, attacking, and death. Each node is identified by a binding name, which you can see here on the right-hand side. For my patrol node, the binding name is Patrol. Going back to my inspector, I can see a binding on my AI called Patrol, and for this AI, it's bound to a behavior tree called Default Patrol. This means that whenever the behavior tree is loaded for my defender soldier, it will load the Default Patrol behavior tree in the place of the patrol binding. Let's also take a look at our commander. Here we can see that it also uses a patrol binding, but instead of the default patrol, it has a special commander patrol that gets loaded. Behavior tree bindings are a great way to create reusable behaviors that can then be customized for individual AI.